This video is going to demonstrate just a little bit of the how-to stuff. Key to learning this is just get in there and click and play with it and see what happens. But just to show you a few of the basic things, right? We've got our first page there. This is our home page. Really, wherever there's text, if there's already text there, it's click and type, right? There you go. And you can change things about the font and all of that if you like. So you've got some different options. You can hyperlink. If you want to hyperlink, you can change colors. Okay, so you've got some of that going on, but you might decide right away that you don't even like the general appearance of the layout of that page. So I'm going to click over here on Pages and say maybe I want to do tall header page. All right, and I realize, okay, so this is what's going on here. So this is all my header. Now I got to type in the header again. And then I've got, this is actually all of my home page where I'm landing. So I've got the header here in orange, and then I can, and then this is my workspace. So here are my options. I'm going to go back to Pages. I changed tall header. I got short header. I've got no header. I've got landing page, splash page, title page. Those are all options. I'm going to go back to the short header. Say, okay, yeah, I like that a little bit more, whatever. All right, so that's the design thing. When you're in Pages, and you might have seen this on the previous video, you can change where you are here. You can also change the name of it. So so you can do some of that. And you see it changes it right there. All right, so here's the thing that you need to know most about, and that is building your pages. If you want to add text, right, title, text, image, gallery, you can add stuff very easily. You just click it, drag it, drop it, and there it goes. And now look, I dragged a text box in there. Coming over here, now I can type okay, and I can edit text, of course, if I like. I can hyperlink, I can bold, italicize, I can make it larger or smaller, right, very easily. Bullets, etc., etc. And those are undo buttons right there. Undo and redo. I can also do some design things like, let's see, can I? All right, so you notice that I'm putting this on the same line as the other little text box there. And now look, so I just dragged another text box in, I put it beside, and you saw that little blue line show up, right? So I now created two columns. Notice I can also do a little formatting because maybe I want one column to be wide, the other to be narrow. Okay, so I've got some design options that I can work with by just dropping these things in. Oh, I forgot to put a title. Drop that title in there, and boom, I can do that. If I want to get rid of a box, right, just scroll over it, there's the X, delete, it's gone, and now that's stretched back out. So there are lots of things that we can do here. Let's say we want a picture beneath, right, drop that in, and then I can upload image. I can upload an image from my computer. I can go to image URL and pull an URL off of the internet, or I can search. Quick word on that. Use legal photographs. I frequently use Morguefile. Just go to morguefile.com, and there you can find some legal images. You can use images, pictures that you've taken, which is awesome. I totally encourage that. Or if you do use somebody else's pictures, like from Morguefile, you can do stuff like go into Pixlr and edit them and make them funky, make them your own, change the coloring, use the filters to make it look kind of artistic, or however you want to approach it. So things to do other than just snagging other people's photos and nonsense. So keep it legal and awesome, and keep it your own if you can. So images, yeah, you're going to want to add images to this thing. So that'll be cool. You can add footer. There are some other design features, spacers, just to create a gap, right, between a text box. So there's just an empty space between text box and the image. If you want that, you can add a divider, just a line. Oh, that was no, that's a divider. You can add buttons. Okay, the idea of a button is that it's something to click on to go somewhere else. Okay, so if you want to use a button to hyperlink to another website or something like that, awesome, do it. What else can you do? Anything that's got a star, not for you. That's paid, so you can't do that. But you can drop in documents. If you want people to be able to link to documents or files, you can drop in YouTube videos. So if there's a YouTube video that belongs for some reason in your website, then go with it. And I'm going to do, in the next video, show you a couple other things with slideshows, slideshow gallery, and embed. So that'll be the next one, since your websites will be very, very visual, hopefully. Okay, so good luck with it. Play around with design, make it look the way that you want, and have some fun with it.